Alright, so here's all the parts laid out for the installation of the brake pads. You have the two double shims, you have the grease that you need to grease up in between the shims, the retainer rod, the retainer clip, and the brake pads, and the 4 shims. The part number for this particular item is such as that. And then what we're going to do is just install them. We're going to put grease in between the shims. So basically you're going to grease up the shims. Such as that. So the brakes won't squeal. And just slide them together as such. And this will be for the back one. This is the back of that one because it has this little clip on it. And you slide it in as such, and you do the same thing for this one. Again, you slide these together as such. Put it on the pad. And just stick it into its place. That's that. And it's pretty much almost all set. You have to put this thing back here. Let's loop up the rod a little bit. It goes in his ear. Right there. It's all set. All we need to do is put this little retaining clip back into the hole on this side, and we're all set. And don't forget to pump your brakes before you drive off, because that will help you seize the discs.